Hi guys, my name is Ellie. I teach sewing and crafts at the public library. This week I have a two-part video series for you in honor of Earth Day, where I'll show you how to use all your plastic bags to turn them into something that's useful, rather than just throwing them away. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Plarn, which is yarn made from plastic bags, and then later this week we'll learn how to turn that Plarn into a braided basket. So for this project, you'll need a pair of scissors, a ruler, a permanent marker, and lots of plastic bags. So we're going to start by making sure your bag has no tears or holes, and you're going to lay it out flat on a table. You want to make sure that the sides are folded in. And then I'm going to fold the bag lengthwise so that the two edges meet up. And then I'm going to make that same fold again. Next, I want to cut off the handles. I don't know how well you can see this on camera, but you want to make sure that you get underneath the curve that's at the bottom of the handles, so you end up with a nice straight edge. Okay. Then I'm going to take my ruler and marker and make a little mark every 2 inches on the bag. You can make your strips wider or thinner depending on how thick you want your yarn to be. I find that for the braided basket project, 2 inches works really well. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the bag into strips using these marks as my guide. And if you knit or crochet, you can experiment with using Plarn in your next project. It makes a really sturdy, interesting fabric. And really, you can try and use this in any project that calls for yarn and see how it turns out. Okay, so I'm going to set aside this part at the end that's not quite 2 inches. And then when you open up one of these strips, you'll see that it's actually a continuous loop. And we're going to attach these loops together with a lark's head knot to create our Plarn. So I'm going to take 2 loops, set them out next to each other like this. Then I'm going to take the loop on the left, place it over the one on the right, and pull the left one down and through. Then I'm going to hold the one on the right and just continue to pull the left loop until it tightens like that. And you're just going to use that same method to continue building your yarn. So for the basket project, you're going to need 3 balls of Plarn. I already have one started here. I'll probably end up making it much bigger. You can make your yarn as long as you want. It just is going to determine the size of your basket. So that's all I have for you today. As always, I wish you health and safety, and I'll see you later this week. Bye.